In this video, I will show you how to connect PayPal to Crypto.com. So first thing we need to do is open up our Crypto.com app, and then you will find this option buy. So you have to click on it. After that, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. So selection of cryptocurrency doesn't matter. We just need to select any currency. After that, you can simply click on this add payment method option from this screen. Then if you are eligible for PayPal, you will see PayPal option from here. You have to click on it. Then after that, you have to enter your PayPal online credentials. So just enter your email ID, password, and click on login. Then it will ask you to select your bank account which you want to use to complete transactions. You can also use your PayPal balance by toggling on this first option. After that, your PayPal account will be linked here. So just enter the amount how much you want to purchase, and then you can simply select your PayPal as a payment method. Keep in mind that you also have to pay 1.99% fee for every transactions that you made with your PayPal. So once you are fine with it, you need to click on this checkbox and then click on continue, and then you can simply complete this transaction with your PayPal. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.